Hey, if you're looking for a new flashlight, check this one out here from Odoo. Nice packaging, by the way. This thing is awesome. It's made out of aviation-grade aluminum alloy. It's about 3.5 inches long, which is great. It fits perfectly in your hand. And it only weighs 3.5 ounces. So very light, but very durable. It is drop resistant, IPX4, and waterproof. So if you're using this outside, if you're camping, fishing, if you're hiking, if you're out there doing a repair on your vehicle, changing a tire late at night, this thing is going to give you plenty of light. And if you drop it or it gets some rain on it, not a problem. It comes with its own USB cord for charging. It holds a very long battery life. It's pretty cool too. Very bright there. You can see this gets up to about 900 lumens. So go through all the different, there's bright, a little bit less, got the flash, got the light here, have a little bit lower light, the red flash going back and forth. If the power is out and you need to use this flashlight, if it's dark out and you have to change your tire, you can see the light right there on the handle gives you plenty of light to be able to change your tire when it's dark outside. So if you have old flashlight like this that barely gets any light, I'm going to get rid of mine. Look how much brighter. Even though it's a fraction of the size, very little light, that is way better. And I don't have to keep replacing and putting more money in batteries. This is rechargeable. And with a small compact design, easily can fit right into your pocket. And if you look right here, it actually has a small built-in magnet on the back. Even has little laser pointer on it as well. Let's check this outside and see how it really works. As you can see, this illuminates a very large area. So even though it's a small flashlight, it really can illuminate your path very well. You can see basically nothing here. Now you can see very well. So if you're out camping, this would be a great flashlight to help you walk around. So if you're looking for a good everyday carry flashlight, small, compact, this one here is great.